Welcome back to A Bite of Tech, your one-stop destination for all things tech. We love bringing you the latest, the greatest, and the most innovative tech hacks that can make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, our tips and tricks are designed to help you navigate the digital landscape with ease. Today, we're going to explore some amazing ways to unlock the full potential of your smartphone. So gear up, tech enthusiasts, as we dive into the world of smartphone tech hacks. Want to make the most out of your phone? In this video, you'll learn some tech hacks that can turn your device into a power-packed tool. We're talking about simple tricks and tweaks that can transform your smartphone experience, ramp up productivity, and even provide solutions to some of those pesky everyday problems. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or an Android aficionado, these hacks are here to supercharge your digital life. So buckle up as we dive into the world of smartphone tech hacks. Ever found yourself with a dead battery at the worst possible time? Here are some power-saving hacks to prevent that. One of the easiest ways to save power is by reducing your screen brightness. Our eyes adapt quickly to different light levels, so you might not even notice the change, but your battery will. Another hack is turning off background app refreshing. This feature allows apps to update even when you're not using them, draining your battery in the process. You can turn it off in your phone settings. Finally, consider using airplane mode in areas with poor signal. Searching for a signal can be a huge power drain, but airplane mode stops this search. Just remember to switch it off when you need to make a call or use data. With these hacks, you can significantly extend your phone's battery life. Running out of storage space. Here's how to free up some room on your device. First on the list, let's talk about your cache. Every time you visit a website or use an app, your phone stores some data. Over time, this can eat up a lot of space. Clearing your cache on a regular basis is like giving your phone a good spring cleaning. Next, take a hard look at your apps. Are there any you haven't used in a while? It might be time to say goodbye. Deleting unused apps can free up a surprising amount of space. Finally, consider using cloud storage. Services like Google Drive for Android users or iCloud for Apple users let you store your photos, videos, and files online, freeing up space on your device. By following these hacks, you'll never have to worry about running out of storage space again. Security is paramount. Here are some hacks to keep your phone secure. In this age of digital convenience, the safety of our personal information has never been more crucial. One of the best ways to bolster your phone's security is to use two-factor authentication. This security measure requires a second form of verification in addition to your password, like a fingerprint or a unique code sent to your phone. It's like having a double lock on your front door, making it twice as hard for intruders to get in. Another hack is to keep your phone's software up to date. This may seem obvious, but many of us are guilty of ignoring those pesky update notifications. However, these updates often contain crucial security patches that fix vulnerabilities in your phone's defense. Now, let's talk about passwords. It's tempting to use the same password for all your accounts, but this is a big no-no. Each account should have a unique, strong password, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This way, even if one account is compromised, the others remain secure. Finally, be cautious about where you download your apps. Stick to trusted sources like the App Store for iPhone users and Google Play for Android users. These platforms have strict security protocols to ensure the apps are safe from malware. With these security hacks, you can rest assured that your personal information stays safe. So, you've learned some valuable hacks to enhance your smartphone experience. Let's recap. We started off by showing you how to unlock the full potential of your phone. Who knew there were so many hidden features waiting to be discovered? Next, we ventured into the world of power-saving hacks. From adjusting screen brightness to limiting background data, we've learned that a few simple tweaks can make a big difference in your phone's battery life. Then, we tackled space-optimizing hacks. Clearing cache, managing apps, and optimizing storage are just a few of the ways to free up space and make your phone run smoother. Our journey took us to security hacks after that. We went through setting up biometric security measures, enabling two-factor authentication, and other crucial steps to ensure your phone is as secure as a fortress. Remember, your phone is a powerful tool, and with these hacks you can truly unlock its full potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech hacks.